In this video, I'm going to talk about how to reset a laptop using keyboard in a Windows 11 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So if you're having an issue with your mouse, either the mouse is not working, even it is not moving, if you're having those kind of an issue, then how we can restart a computer with just keyboard. So what you need to do is, first of all, you have to press Windows and X button together on a keyboard. So that is going to take you to this. Now from here, what you need to do is either you can use the drop down menu like this. You can just go over here and you can just click over here. So you have an option to do shutdown, or either you can restart the computer and you can check it. Or apart from this, what you need to do is once you get into this, you have to press U over here. So that is also going to directly take you to the sign out option over here. From here, you can restart. Then you just need to press R. Or you can just navigate to the restart and just press enter. So your computer will be completely restart, and this is what you have to do. And also apart from this, you can also press Alt and F4 together over here like this. That is going to take you to this, and from also you can select these and you can just do a restart and you can check as well. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.